Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at problems involving quadratics. If you've completed the previous quadratic videos, today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So in today's lesson, you may approximate values to 2 decimal places. And what we're going to do is just practice problems. So you're going to go ahead and try it on your own, and then we'll correct it together. And we'll do that for all of the problems. So go ahead and pause the video and solve for x. Okay, we're back. So what do we have here? We have x squared plus x minus 2 squared equals 13 squared, like that. This becomes x squared minus 4x plus 4, like that. 2x squared minus 4x minus 165 equals 0, like that. We're going to use the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac, all of that over 2a. So our b is negative 4, our a is 2, and our c is negative 165, like that. So we punch that in and we get two solutions, 4 plus root 1336 over 4, or 4 minus root 1336 over 4. And so x is either 10.14 or negative 8.14, and we reject the negative value because we want a positive length. So the correct answer is approximately 10.14, like that. Okay, practice 2. A ball is thrown off of a cliff where the height follows the function h of t equals negative 4.9 t squared plus 28t plus 9.7, where the height is in meters and the time t in seconds. At what time does the ball hit the ground at height 0 meters? Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So what we're looking is to solve this function equals 0, right? When is the height equal to 0? So we're going to use the quadratic formula here. B 28, A negative 4.9, and C 9.7. So we plug that in and then we get two possibilities, negative 28 plus or negative 28 minus, like that. This gives negative 0.33 seconds, so we reject it, negative time. And so here is 6.04 seconds. And so the ball hits the ground after 6.04 seconds. Okay, and last one, practice number 3. A rectangular chicken coop has a perimeter of 30 meters and an area of 18 square meters. What are the dimensions of the coop? Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So what we have is x times y, like that. So the perimeter is 2x plus 2y equals 30. And this reduces to x plus y equals 15, like that. The area is x times y, and from the problem gives 18. So what we're going to do is isolate x from here, so we get negative y plus 15, and plug it in to this other equation here, right? So this x is being replaced by negative y plus 15, like that. So negative y plus 15 times y equals 18, like that. Distribute the y like that. Put everything on one side, so we get y squared minus 15y plus 18 as such. We're going to use the quadratic formula. B is negative 15, A is 1, and C is 18. This gives us two possibilities where y is 13.68 or y is 1.32. If y is 13.68, we plug it in from our other equation here, plug in y, which makes x be 1.32. Or if we plug in y 1.32, we get 13.68, right? So we see that they're the same thing, just rotated differently. And so those are our dimensions, 1.32 meters by 13.68 meters. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.